Hey guys, welcome back to Knife Mania. You can see my pack is packed and ready behind me. I'll be leaving. Well, I wanted to leave tomorrow, but unfortunately the brakes on the truck are getting so bad I gotta do the brakes before I can go up north. But whatever. Anyway, I wanted to show you. I'm obviously home now. I'm not at the shop anymore, but I wanted to show you how far I got. So basically, quarter inch by inch and 3/4. The piece was originally 36 inches long. A2 steel, as you've seen in the other video. Then you see me use this stencil. And then I drilled the holes. So that's what it looks like after you use the stencil and color it in. Right? Now for the holes, I did use a drill press. These are 1/8 holes, and that's a quarter inch hole for the lanyard. I did it purposely this way, that way you guys could see the steps. And then I did a semi-final cutout. Now the way I did that was took well, it's easier to show you on the this one. I took a Metabo with a cutoff wheel and cut like here, 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 across here, across here. Did my little lines, and once I got it chunked out, if you would say, I went back over it with a hard grinding wheel, and that's where most of the edge marks come from. And then I went over it lightly with a sanding wheel to get it even closer. But since this is supposed to be a survival / bushcraft knife, you want those sharp 90-degree spines on the spine. You know what I'm saying? So the way I did that was I chalked it up in a vise and then did draw filing from back here to here. Oh, you might be able to see that. And it's still, where's the camera? There it is. Still straight and true. A2 is a phenomenal steel, but once I get this all done, get the edge put on, and do the custom engraving I want to do on it, and put my logo on it, then I'll do the hardening and tempering and all that. But for right now, my next step is especially in here, because it's still real rough. You can't really get in there and do everything real nice with a grinding wheel. I'm going to take my Dremel with a very abrasive bit and do all the fine tuning and the straightening and all that. And then, let's see here. After that, I'd be putting the edge on, which I already got it all laid out. Excuse me. Ooh. I wake you up, baby girl. I'm sorry. Baby girl's sitting here next to me. And after I do all that, then, like I said, I'll do the hard surfacing. Jeez, oh Pete's. I'm sorry, 4 o'clock this morning came way too early. Do the hardening, and then do the tempering, and then it's all hand sanding, and then taking it to my stones and putting real fine. Again, I'm going to put a convex edge on this. And I might be able to do that here at home, I don't know. But my main goal right now is get the grass mowed, get the brakes done, probably tomorrow. And then hopefully Thursday I'll be up north. So right now this is taking the back seat, but I wanted to show you guys how I'm doing it, or at least show you as much as I can and then explain it in detail. As long as you're careful and everything else, you can do it this way. Again, it's material removal. I am not forging this blade. This is not forging. This is handcrafting, if you will. Simply because I can't forge here. And not only that, but it's A2 steel. I really don't want to forge on A2 steel unless you're doing like some sort of crazy carbon steel Damascus or something like that. And even then, my forge probably would have melted. So, there you guys go. the rough cutout of the first one done, the BK Puko. So, until next time, which hopefully will be a video from up north. It'll be a few days yet before I get up there, unfortunately. But hopefully the next video will be me up north and playing with the knives in the woods, setting up a bushcraft camp, having little fires, using my cookware, all that good stuff. But this I am thoroughly excited about. And since this is going to be my own knife and making one for the better half as well, we're not going cheap. The hardest part, I think, is going to be picking out the scales that I want to use. Normally I use natural woods or something like that, but I want to go a little off the deep end and maybe get some nice pins to go through there and whatnot. But it's a project. It's an undertaking, especially considering I can't just sit here and work on it, 24/7 like I could at other places. But yeah. Oh, well, I can't show you that right now. Oh, well, maybe I can. Oh, crap. I have to do it this way. I'm trying to pinch it so it don't move, so you guys can see. So, anyway, guys, until next time, keep your knife sharp, keep your fingers out of the way, keep your sanity. Later, guys.